location of the monument when it came all together to build this. And also in
Hannig Miguel Hogania, couple of Lino Hampton Hedor, agus Hosimuti and Carolina or Chandaliak Trela, Cap much grew Rodney Sontasi better, Lejanu, agus grew file, near wine the Pashti by Parchachan, Akagrahu, Napastishan, Tashpantas, the Saisagan, Gamo, and Sihirshan Fuaka in Nie, agus Gamosha and Ars, Ejaso better than Fobble, or Fad in St. Anlan and Shaw. Durer Mertan Shack Nagalray to chill you skull and like chat the Stachagoni eggs a curl, which in major or Tashpantas, and Shaw so Tashidina Potty, Tashidina early sheet of Rula, Agus Tanasa Napashi Hunter Noye, egg once saltas.
Bhí sé ag semú mar dul Magellan faoí an clé agus an dóid Sergeant 2.
When I thought that Johnny Potty in my island don't get I was full of Milan that I knew for Johnny Potty.
You mustn't show the girls school on 9th March, rang a shares a shot. As when she ran Saltas, of course, I went to the donor who like show. The Akamel show, HB my first, you know, few good galu. It's a natural, honey, you know.
Jersha ro and potta is shinia I'm sure na renew in Sean Yaran renew a gar the Belfast Shaw so Kanglin Fishin Darnoya Rod Sundasach in St. Star Lishan Major Tayanu in St. Carolina and Shaw.
These monuments are real symbolic places in the landscape. The same that today the churches are in the places that they are and are important for the Christian community. In the past, these monuments act in the same way that the churches today.
Lishna na Carolina a Yanan Mutla Miguel ta Chiludini Chatagoni ta agus Tanta Rodon Rodi Sundasaha Agoni the Fulham Fuini Ian Mulvini agus Agol East Mulvini Simmons and Sean Daliacta.